Okay. Can I know about you? What you are
Definitely.
doing?
Yes, definitely. Why not? Yes, my name is Kaijar Alam. I'm from West Bengal and I'm a student.
Okay. What you are studying?
Currently, I'm studying in Open University in graduation level. This year is last year in Open University in graduation.
Sorry, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat again?
I told you that I'm a student and I'm third year student in graduation level.
Okay.
Yeah. What about you?
Yeah, I am a house. My name is Susie. I
Okay.
am from Andhra Pradesh. I'm a
Okay.
housewife.
Okay. Nice. You are a housewife, but you are still practice. That is the biggest thing. I think this is the biggest advantage with your family members. I can imagine that you will provide a lots of uh, learning method with your children, I think.
Yes, still I'm learning and
Hmm.
sometimes I teach.
Okay.
And I want to become a fluent.
Yes.
My English will become a fluent
Yes, definitely it
one day.
will. But
One day.
if you try regular basis, if you try with your surroundings, or I can say with your family members, so it will definitely it will increase a lot, and you will speak better and better.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, definitely. So,
Yes,
how you preparing for English language?
I am not preparing for my English.
Mm-hmm.
Just I regularly watching videos in YouTube.
Okay.
I practice English with my baby.
Well,
She is
that's
4 years
okay.
old.
That's okay for your baby, but it's also okay if you talk with people like me, like all who is really aggressive about this language purpose. So if you talk with them, and it will definitely helpful, I think. But I think South Indian people always better than rest of India. I think
Yes.
in always better in English language.
Okay. Because I think it is what you call uh, um, local language.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you are understand.
No, I told you that South Indian people always better in English language than rest of India, because no, they always try to speak in English many times, I think. Because I talk with one teacher who really motivates me a lot, and he
Okay.
worked as a assistant professor in Andhra Pradesh, which the I forget that college name, because at least 6 months ago we started speaking with regular basis. But now my work is I don't have too much time, and that sir also has maybe too not too much time, so that's why we are not connecting to each other. But he always motivates me a lot, and now that's why I'm speaking as friendly.
Okay.
Yeah. And we always try to speak with 9 to 10, I can say at least 1 hour in evening time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Practicing regularly, which will help you to
Yes,
maintain
yes,
fluency, and some words pronunciation is main thing in
yeah.
speaking English.
But in beginning time, no need to go with pronunciation purpose, because if
Okay.
you speak with everyone in this language, so automatically that pronunciation is coming in your mouth, and you can easily speak with anyone. There is no doubt, there is no problem which you have. No need to go with pronunciation purpose. You just focus on just speaking purpose, because if you speak more, then you will get result in your side, and automatically pronunciation is automatically come to your mouth, and you will speak better. I think it's my belief.
Yes, it is correct.
Yeah.
From
So
beginners, they have feel very shy to talk to other peoples.
the-
They are
the-
beginners, so they have a lot of fear.
hmm yes.
What your opinion? Give suggestion to
Okay,
beginners.
you asked me about beginner student, how they fear or why they are fearing
They
while
over
speaking.
How do they overcome
Okay,
their
okay.
fear?
Well, just this is the fact in beginning time. Everyone facing these types of problem, but
Yes,
if we speak daily basis, we speak any topic purpose or regular basis, so it's definitely overcome. It's definitely overcome. No need to go any coaching center, no need to go any tips trick that someone given you. No, just speak regular basis, speak continuously, and it definitely increase, and you will see upcoming 2 or 3 months remarkable change. I think no need
yes,
to go anywhere. Just speak, speak, speak. Speak is the only key of fluency of English language. There is
yes,
no, there is no any other skill you need to work for fluency purpose. Just speak, and automatically uh, grab the sentence, vocab, everything, because when the correct vocab you use while speaking, you know very well when is this that word is coming in your time. So if you speak daily basis, if you speak with your unknown friend daily basis, so it's automatically come to in your mind, and you will see what is the remarkable change upcoming 2 or 3 months. I think, I believe, I just I also worked on that place, and that's why just I'm speaking with you with full confidence.
yes. Confidence.
Yes.
Yeah. Someone says some people says at the point of view when time to speak, they are speaking a lot of mistakes
Yeah.
because they are not remember those words what I speak out. So you give any suggestions how to they improve?
Well, yes, in a beginning time, everything is possible, in a beginning time. Every mistakes, come to in your mind, and if you think that that mistake, I am again and again repeating while speaking, so you realize that at this particular time, I am making mistakes, so you overcome that time. That's it.
Yes,
And if you think that it's I am making mistake, it's not going to helpful, never demotivate yourself, and just you are making mistake, no issue, no problem. And if
okay,
you think that that mistake gives you more gives you motivation, so mistake
yes,
is the part of our life for learning purpose. So
yes, you
don't
are right.
uh, think on deep manner on that problem purpose, just focus. Only focus can change. Only focus.
Yes.
And I think I already told you that always South Indian people better in English. So this is not tough language, and it's really
Not
easy.
all. So many peoples are also there.
Yeah, but they
Not all,
don't want
but
to talk.
almost they speak fluently. Pronouncing is very fluent.
You
I
know, we always try to speak with our mother tongue. Like my mother tongue is Bengali, but in where I'm living, there is no surroundings to talk with English language. This is the main problem we are facing. So if we think that this is the way I am talking, so it's not going to helpful. We think that it's okay where we are living, no problem. We can speak with who is really speak with me. That is the fact. If you speak with
but
someone who is really want to speak with you, so in this way you can overcome, you can speak better, you can get fluency. That's it. There is no such a key that you will learn in a short period. There is no chance to speak with a short period time and you will speak better. No, just speak continuously, speak regularly. So this is the only way.
okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. You have a lot of experience and you have a lot of learning knowledge
Okay.
to get fluency and pronouncing, especially in speaking English.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's my pleasure that we are connecting today and we are talking lots of things, and maybe these types of video helpful for your subscriber, helpful for some new
Beginner.
audience who is really
Yes.
believe that English is a tough language, but I think it's not tough. If anyone interested to speak in English language, so anyone can speak. This is the I can say easy language. So no need to go anywhere. Just speak with friends, connect with friends who is really believe that English is important. That is the way we can speak better, and it's
Better.
really
Yes.
helpful.
Yes.
So I have one thing I want to share in this video, that in your audience maybe believe that yes, I also have such types of channel. I also uploading almost 100 plus videos in my channel. My channel name is Newton Spoken World. So there, guys, there you can see lots of speaking way. We talk with many of foreign people and Indian people. So there you also get lots of knowledge. If you believe that, you can go and check it out. So I think maybe
Thank you.
it's also helpful for others.
Yes.
So
My viewers also check your channel. We'll
yeah,
check it.
yeah,
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye
yeah.
bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you another time if you
Bye.
feel.